Have you ever refused to say sorry, even when you knew you were wrong? One day, Little Bear was running through the forest, but then he bumped right into Bunny's favorite toy. It fell and broke. Bunny was heartbroken, her eyes filled with tears. But Little Bear said nothing. Why should I say sorry first? He thought. His heart felt heavy. He couldn't play. He couldn't laugh. Something felt wrong inside. Finally, Little Bear gathered his courage. He walked slowly toward Bunny. "I'm sorry, Bunny. I didn't mean to. I promise I'll be more careful." "It's okay, Bear. Thank you for saying sorry." And just like that, Little Bear's heart felt so much lighter. Saying sorry isn't weakness. It means you're brave and kind.